Hi children, welcome to our math class. In the previous class we learned about multiplication chapter. In that chapter we learned about tables and multiple products. Okay, today I am teaching about new chapter, that is the division. Division. Already I explained multiplication. What is the multiplication? Repeated addition is a multiplication. The division is the opposite of multiplication. Repeated addition is the multiplication. Division is opposite of multiplication. Division is repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Multiplication symbol is into. Multiplication symbol is into. The division symbol is divided by. This is the multiplication symbol. This is the division symbol. Okay. This can read as divided by. Read as divided by. Okay, this is the division symbol. Already I said repeated subtraction is a division. Okay, see Nana, open your textbook. Page number is 96. Shade alternate groups of 5 with various colors. Here given numbers 1 to 100. What asking here? Shade alternate group of 5 with various colors. Shade here. Various color up to 5 groups. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this all shade. Alternate colors. But here I have only red color. So I colored only this one. So how many shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Changing. Okay? Here this box is the over. Next what is divide 30 by 5. Divide 30 by 5. What I said, repeated subtraction is a division. So in this 30 subtract 5. See Nana, 30 minus 5. Here 30 minus 5. Here 10. Borrow, take borrow. 10 plus 0 is the 10. Here already first of all here 1 is gone to this place. Remaining here 2. That means 10 minus 5 is the 5. 2. Again subtract 5. 5 minus 5 is the 0. This 2 as it is here. Again subtract 5. Here 0 minus 5 is the not possible. So take borrow. 10 plus 0 is the 10. Here 2 become a 1. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది నా 2 నుండి అవుట్ ఒకటి అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా 1. 10 minus 5 is the 5. As it is here 5. Again subtract 5. 5 minus 5 is the 0. This one right. Okay. Minus 5. Okay. Again subtract. So not for 0 minus 5 is not possible. So take borrow. 10 plus 0 is the here 0. 1 become a 0. 10 minus 5 is the 5. Again subtract 5. 5 minus 5 is the 0. How much? This is the repeated subtraction. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times subtraction here. How many times? 6 times. So this one answer is the 30 divided by 5 equal to 30 divided by 5 equal to how many times subtraction here? 6 times. So answer is the 6th. Multiplication. Repeated addition is the multiplication. Repeated subtraction is the division. See Nana, same number subtraction here. 30 minus 5. 25 minus 5. We got the 20. After minus 5. We got the 15. After minus 5. We got the 10. After minus 5. We got the 5. 5 and 5 is 0. This is the division. Repeated subtraction is a division. Same as it is given here in your textbook. See Nana. Understood? Next, repeated subtraction scene. Here, Simran had 6 dolls. Simran had 6 dolls. She count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She gave 2 dolls to Nidhi. Nidhi, her friend. Nidhi is her friend. So that's why she gave two dolls to Nidhi. How many has now Simran? Second. Simran is left with 4 dolls. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఆమెకు 6 డాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సిమ్రాన్ దగ్గర 6 డాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అందులో నుండి 2 నిధికి ఇచ్చేసింది. ఇంకెన్ని ఉన్నాయి సిమ్రాన్ దగ్గర? 1, 2, 3, 4. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ Simran. She means Simran. She gave 2 dolls to Rajni. ఆ 4 డాల్స్ నుండి ఇంకా 2 డాల్స్ రజనీకి ఇచ్చింది. How many she left? Simran is left with 2 dolls. See Nana, only she has 2 dolls only. Here subtraction ante first Simran has how many dolls? 6 dolls. Next 2 ichesindi. Give to Nidhi. Next Rajni. After she gave 2 dolls to Deepa. Malli next time unna 2 dolls ni Deepa ki. How many dolls did Simran have now? 0. She don't have now. Ne aame daggara emi levu. So repeated subtraction. Illa repeated 2 dolls ante ikkada repeated subtraction is the in this problem 2 2 2 ante 6 minus 2 4 4 minus 2 2 2 minus 2 is the 0. This is the repeated subtraction. How many times subtraction here? 1 2 3. Okay, that means 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ముగ్గురికి ఇచ్చేసినాం మనము 1 2 3 ముగ్గురికి ఇచ్చేసి 2 balls. అండర్స్టాండ్ అన్నా? See Nana, here some objects are given. First one, balls. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Totally 12 balls are here. So that's why 12. Here distributing. Subtract. First here 12 balls are distributing to others. అంటే ఫస్ట్ మన దగ్గర గతంలో 12 బాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. తర్వాత ఒక్కొక్కరికి ఈక్వల్గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేశాడట. చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హియర్ 12 బాల్స్, టోటల్లీ 12. హియర్ 12 minus 3 అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఒకతనికి 3 బాల్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. చూడండి, 12 minus 3 టోటల్లీ 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 టోటల్లీ 12 balls here. First 3 balls give to one student. ఒక స్టూడెంట్ కి ఇచ్చేసాం. Remaining how many balls are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here 9. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Okay, same. Next these balls are completed. Next only 3. So 1 2 3. So 9 balls. So 9. Again these 3 balls are given to another student. ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ కి 3 balls ఇచ్చాం. Remaining how many? Count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Understood? Take ఒక స్టూడెంట్ కి 3 balls ఇచ్చాము, ఇంకో స్టూడెంట్ కి 3. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Okay, these 3 balls are 6. Okay, again 3 balls are given to another third one student. See, these 3 balls 6 minus 3. Remaining how many? 1 2 3. So here 3. Remaining how many here? Balls 3. ఈ 3 balls ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ ఇచ్చారు. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. అంటే division means distribute to equally. అంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకి 12 balls ఇచ్చాము. ఈ మనం ఇచ్చిన balls ని ఈక్వల్ గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేస్తాం. చూడండి 12 minus 3 equal to 9, 9 minus 3 equal to 6, 6 minus 3 equal to 3, 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, how many times here subtraction? అంటే ఎంత మందికి ఇచ్చేసాము ఈ 12 balls ని? 1 2 3 4 4 times. అంటే 4 మెంబర్స్ కి ఈక్వల్ గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసాం balls ని. అదే విధంగా what I said subtraction, sorry, division, repeated subtraction is a division అని చెప్పాను. So how many times subtraction repeated here? 1 2 3 4. That is the answer is here 4. Okay, so now write here 4. చూడండి ఈ 12 balls ని కూడా 4 మెంబర్స్ కి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేస్తాం. 1 2 3 4. అండర్స్టాండ్? Yes. Next, crayons or pencils. How many total we count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Totally 10 pencils are there. These 10 pencils distribute them equally. Distribute చేస్తున్నాం equal గా. How to? 2 2 2. These 2, these 2, these 2 2. Okay. First of all 10. 10 minus 2. ఈ 10 pencils ని first 2 ఇచ్చేసాం ఒక స్టూడెంట్. How many remaining? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here 10 minus 2 is the 8. Next, these 8 pencils, ఈ 2 pencils ఇంకో స్టూడెంట్ remaining 8 minus 2. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Okay. How many here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. This 6. Next, ఈ 2 pencils ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ ఇచ్చేసి. How many remaining? 6 minus 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4. 6 minus 2 is the 4. Okay, these 4 pencils. Now, ఇంకొక ఈ 2 pencils ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ ఇచ్చేసాం. How many? 4 minus 2. That means these pencils are give to another student. How many remaining? 1 2. So here 2. Last 2 pencils also give to next student. So 2 minus 2. How many there? Not there. So that means 0. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So then 10 minus 2 equal to 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 6 minus 2 equal to 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Totally here 10 pencils. 1. How many times? How many members? Take this pencils. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 members too. So here 5. How many times? Repeated subtraction here. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times. So this. Next, here given cherries. See, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. How many? Totally 15. 5 plus 5 is the 15. 10 10 plus 5 is the 15. Totally 15 cherries. So these 5 cherries give to one student. That means 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 equal to this 15 only. If 5 this is. How many remain? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here 15 minus 5 equal to 10. Okay, these cherries నుండి ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ 5 చేస్తారు. How many? స్టూడెంట్ ఇది 5 చేస్తారు. 1 2 3 4 5. So 10 minus 5 equal to 5. ఇంకొక స్టూడెంట్ ఈ 5 cherries also ఇచ్చేస్తారు. 5 minus 5 is the 0. Anybody cherries here not there. So that means here 0. 15 minus 5 equal to 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 5 minus 5 equal to 0. How many times repeated subtraction here? 1 2 3. Here subtraction how many times? 1 2 3. So answer here 3. Answer there 3. Okay. Next apples here. Total how many? 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 apples are there. Okay? First of all, 15 apples are there. Here, distribute equally 3 apples. First of all, 3 apples give to one girl. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 15 minus 3 equal to 12. Okay? Next, these 3 apples give to one boy. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. These 9. After next, these 3 apples give to one student. Remaining how many? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Okay. After these 3 apples give to one girl. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. So here 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. These last 3 apples also give to one boy. Remaining how many here? Not there. So that means 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Here how many times subtraction here? See Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times subtraction. So here 1. Understood? This line. In this page 1 problem, that is your homework. Okay children. Next division is sharing equality. See here. There are 10 marbles. Arati and Pooja share them equally. How many will each get? Totally here 10 marbles here. In the one bowl 10 marbles. Here Arati and Pooja. 2 members there. Each equality. That means 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that sharing there. Okay. Next put equal number of apples in each basket. Here apples given here. Count Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 apples. How many apples here? 8 apples. So here 8. Next what asking here? Equal number of apples in each basket. In the one basket, each basket. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వల్గా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయమంటుంది, పెట్టమంటుంది. చూడండి ఫస్ట్ 4 చేద్దాం. 1, 2, 3, 4. ఇక్కడ చేద్దాం. 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 apples. Next 1, this 2, this 3, this 4. In the basket 4. In this basket 4 apples. Okay children. Next put equal number of biscuits in each plate. So first of all how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this plate 12 biscuits. How many biscuits here? 12 biscuits. So distribute in each plate equally. So how many plates? Empty plates 1, 2, 3, 4. How to distribute? First of all, see Nana. This one here. This 2 biscuit here. This one 3. Next this one here. Next this one here. First of all 4 completed. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next biscuit. Here. Next biscuit. Here. The next biscuit. Next one. Next biscuit. Here. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 4 biscuits. These 4 biscuits. 1. Next 2, 3. This 4. Here. Totally completed these biscuits. Distributed. Completed. How many here? 1, 2, 3. So here 3. 1, 2, 3. Here 3. 1, 2, 3. So here 3. 1, 2, 3. Totally equal. Complete. Here in this plate 3 biscuits. In this plate 3 biscuits. In this place 3 biscuits. In this place 3. Equally. Same Nana. 3, 3, 3. Totally complete. 12 biscuits are distributed. Okay, children. Next, what is the next? That is the your worksheet is your homework. Okay, children. Write in your notes and practice well. Bye, children.